Hi teacher, today I want to talk about an incredible place that I absolutely love visiting for my vacation, San Andres Isla in Colombia. It is located in the Caribbean Sea, in my opinion. That best times to visit is paradise is from the December to April when the water is dry and warm and perfect for to beach is San Andres, Colombia. Uh, is, when do you plan your journey? I think is a good idea to travel there by planet because you can arrive directly at the island airport. However, when you are on the isla, you should rent a gold car to exploring that coast. It worked for me during my last trip when I wanted a fun and relaxing journey around that island at my own place. There are so many wonderful things to see and do in that is single place. If you love water sport, you must go snorkeling or scuba diving in that crystal clear ocean. It is famous for its sea of seven colors. At it is fascinating place to explore. Coral reef and swim with full color fish. When that is when that sun is swimming, it is also perfect for aventuring day visit attraction like Morgan, Caribe, or Blue Hotel de Cameron. Blue Hotel. If you want to see sometime, you can take a local boat ride to Johnny Cray and beautiful small island with coconut trees and with and shade. Thank you, teacher.